'Cause I'm burning up on you, burning up on you. You seldom tell the truth. Hide me with the word goodbye. I'm better on the other side. I'm better on the other side. 'Cause I'm burning up on you, burning up on you. You seldom tell the truth. Hide me with the word goodbye. I'm better on the other side. I'm better on the other side. 'Cause I'm burning up on you, burning up on you. You seldom tell the truth. Hide me with the word goodbye. I'm better on the other side.
So good morning. The time is currently, I don't want to check the time because I know I'm late to work, so I don't want to check the time because I cannot have a heart attack early this morning. So yeah, it's just a little life update of what's going on in my life. If you have watched my previous vlogs, my previous videos, you will understand like where I'm at in my life. I just finished graduating secondary school, high school, wherever you are in the world, whatever you used to call it, and I'm currently experiencing, it's no longer summer again, so like I cannot say I'm currently experiencing the longest summer ever. I'm currently experiencing a gap year. Is it a gap year? I don't know. A gap year, is it like just one full year from like January to December, or is it from, because my gap year started from August till next year September, and hey now it's a gap year. That's one full year, that's 1 year. Yeah, I'm currently experiencing a gap year. Doesn't sound, people are always like so like super excited for gap years or something like that. Some people are not, because they're like, what will I do during a gap year? I was like that, but I made a video like 35 productive and unique ideas to do in the summer, but like not just during the summer, like literally whenever you have free time, and those are the things that I'll be doing during this gap year. This is my morning routine. I still have something to do though. I need to, my water has finished boiling, so I'm just gonna have my bath, go and brush and everything, and I'll come back, then I'll journal a bit, and I'll pray, then I'll get ready, and then I will leave this house because I'm late. My little brother is so nice. Like, he's so nice. He carried my plates. Carried my plates for me. Stay away. Because I've already said before I'm late. So, and that's I'm sure I've made myself very, very clear. Very, in these. I'm on top of the world. Hey. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying with me and experiencing my morning routine, my 8 a.m. morning routine with me. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to turn on post notifications and subscribe. It doesn't take anything from you. I'm consistent. At least we should appreciate that. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Like, I'm so active there. I should not jinx it. I should not come and jinx it now. But like, follow me on all my social media platforms. If you like book related contents, like, you can go over to my Instagram at Enitan. Lisa is on the screen somewhere, so you can go to my Instagram, follow me, and let's be friends. I love making friends. Okay, I love making friends. Even though, like, I'm so socially awkward, but it's always good to get out of your comfort zone. Like, thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. Comment down the sun emoji, so that I will know that you stayed to the end of this video. Stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.